Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Venmo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Venmo QR code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you need your Venmo QR code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're an online streamer and you want to have your QR code to Venmo available. That way you can accept donations from your viewers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Venmo app. It's this blue and white one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Venmo app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened my Venmo app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your Venmo QR code, you're going to click on this QR code button looking thing here on the top called scan. Once you click there, Venmo is going to open up your camera to scan a Venmo code. But if you want to go ahead and look for your Venmo QR code, click on this button here, Venmo Me. Once you click there, it will show an image of your Venmo QR code. So with this, you can go ahead and print it out by clicking on this button. You can email it or you can download it, so that way you can print it out and put it on your live stream or send it to your customers. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Venmo QR code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.